Mooladhara Chakra, the energy of the Mother Earth. This energy is loving you and it is nourishing you. It is stabilizing you, supporting you, and guiding you and grounding you. Feel this energy flowing from the feet to the whole body. Now, gently shift your focus on the top of your head, the Sahasrara Chakra. You visualize the divine energy from the cosmos is flowing inside through your crown chakra, filling all your organs. Gently feel. For visualization purpose, feel that there is a tube or funnel on top of your head through which the universal energy is flowing. It may be green color, blue color, any color. It is filling your head, back side of the head, both the sides of the head, entire face, all organs in the face. Feel the flow, your shoulder blade till the fingertips, entire front side, heart, chest, lungs, upper abdomen, lower abdomen, upper back, middle back, lower back, and it is blending with the great energy of the Mother Earth. This is blending of the Mother Earth and the cosmos, universe. This is happening within me, that is within you. We are trying outside for our peace, but this divinity is inside us. We are that divine. This is nothing but the merger of Adi Shiva and Shakti, Purusha and Prakriti, cosmos and the Mother Earth. This is the divine cosmic communion. Now, this energy is flowing, earth energy flowing from the top tip of my toe up to the head, and cosmic energy flowing from the head to the toe. This communion, I am enjoying. This divine elixir is flowing through there. And wherever there is a pain or anything, uneasiness, direct this divine energy to that area. Today you are having a pain in the eye. Remember an intensity 1 to 10. 1 is best, 10 is worst. Just give an intensity, what is the pain. After doing this cosmic communion and the light end may cosmic shower, you will really feel all the, what happened, all the pain intensity would have reduced. Feel that the divine elixir energy is flowing through the area, that eye, and it is taking around there, removing all the toxins, all the pain, all the blocks which is causing the infection. From the root cause it is removing and sending out, flushing out of your body. And you know what happens to it? The Mother Earth will accept it with both her hands and send it to cosmos as a positive light. So you feel that the pain is going. After that you will do the regular chakra, that too you know you have done the boot camp. You will do all the chakra. Finally, the beautiful cosmic shower. Cosmic shower is what? It is a blessing from the universe. I'll say when you buy a flat, what you do, A and B will buy. It has to be, the A and B will give an agreement, but that has to be notarized by a notary public. Now, I'm explaining to you in a normal language. Cosmic shower is that blessing. Every day you have to do the cosmic communion and cosmic shower twice, once in the morning and in the night. So now you are in the universe because you are coming in. Feel that the cosmic shower. When you are very tired, you take a physical shower, right? For feeling